Powerful world changers can sometimes be found in small packages. This is especially true for broccoli sprouts, the precursor to mature broccoli. Until the last couple of decades, vegetable sprouts received little to no nutritional attention. However, a 1997 New York Times article changed everything, bringing to light the incredible cancer-fighting compounds found in broccoli sprouts. Broccoli sprouts may be overlooked because they aren't as widely available as regular broccoli. Many people believe that broccoli sprouts have the same nutritional value as mature broccoli. That couldn't be further from the truth. Broccoli sprouts may not have as many vitamins as adult broccoli, such as K and C, but they have a lot more glucosinolates. Why does it matter that broccoli sprouts are high in glucosinolates? Let's start with a little food science. Brassica vegetables, such as broccoli sprouts and other cruciferous vegetables, kale, arugula, radishes, and others, contain an enzyme known as myrosinase, which works as part of gut bacteria to break down glucosinolates into usable forms, one of which is known as isothiocyanates. Isothiocyanates appear to activate other enzymes involved in the transformation and/or elimination of xenobiotics, disease-causing compounds, from the body. According to some sources, this is a host defense mechanism that is activated by small amounts of isothiocyanates and causes your body to use its natural disease-fighting power. Broccoli sprouts are high in glucoraphanin, a glucosinolate precursor to the isothiocyanate sulforaphane. In fact, these sprouts have 10 to 100 times the glucoraphanin content of adult broccoli. The exact amount of glucoraphanin depends on when the sprouts are picked. 3 days seems to be the sweet spot, and how the sprouts are prepared. Raw is best. Cooking removes a lot of the myrosinase. Chew your sprouts thoroughly to get the most out of these compounds. Like most scientists, we will simply refer to this amazing compound as sulforaphane, as opposed to glucosinolate-derived sulforaphane or myrosinase-accompanied glucoraphanin. Now that we've established how this works, let's take a look at why we should be concerned about sulforaphane. For starters, this compound has some very impressive cancer prevention and cancer-fighting properties, which we will go over in detail shortly in this video, but that's not all it can do. Sulforaphane has been shown to benefit the heart, bones, and respiratory system, and it may assist your body in fighting off a common infection, detoxifying environmental chemicals, combating autoimmune disease, and even protecting your brain after a serious injury. Sulforaphane appears to accomplish these things in part through epigenetics, an exciting new scientific discovery about how dietary and lifestyle changes can affect genetic changes. Epigenetics is the study of the layer of DNA that instructs cells on how to turn on and off, how to function, and so on. Sulforaphane has been shown to influence the epigenetic layer of specific parts of DNA, which influences a variety of disease-fighting functions. Remember that New York Times article from 1997? The article is titled "Researchers Discover a Concentrated Anti-Cancer Substance in Broccoli Sprouts." The ability of broccoli sprouts to fight cancer is more extensively researched and well known than any other phenomenon. So how does it function? To begin with, sulforaphane inhibits the function of phase 1 enzymes in the body, which activate pro-carcinogens, substances that are metabolized into carcinogens. It then stimulates phase 2 enzymes to begin their work. Unlike phase I enzymes, phase 2 enzymes detoxify your body of potential carcinogens and other disease-causing compounds. This is known as xenobiotic metabolism in the scientific community. Eating broccoli sprouts can also affect the amount of NRF2, a fascinating protein. It's intriguing because this protein functions early in life as an antioxidant that may help prevent cancer, but once cancer has spread, it also appears to promote tumor growth. DAC activity, a cancer-promoting protein, is monitored by researchers to determine how NRF2 functions in the body. The more activity in NRF2 pathways, the less DAC is expressed. They also look at the P16 gene, which is a cancer suppressor that inhibits DAC. Sulforaphane demonstrated a strong cancer-fighting ability in mice with high NRF2 concentrations but had little effect in NRF2 deficient mice. Sulforaphane's ability to cause P16 expression and potentially stop cancer growth is doubled when DAC is reduced in human colon cancer cells. According to colonoscopy screenings, people who ate more than 5 servings of cruciferous vegetables per week or took a broccoli sprout supplement had higher P16 expression and lower DAC. Finally, as previously stated, many of the benefits of sulforaphane, not just cancer prevention, are linked to epigenetics. Sulforaphane may be able to influence some epigenetic changes in certain types of cancer cells and possibly reverse negative genetic code alterations that worsen or cause some cancers. As complicated as it may appear, those are the fundamentals of broccoli sprouts and cancer prevention. The following cancers have been studied in relation to broccoli sprouts and sulforaphane. 1. Throat cancer. In 2015, researchers from the University of Pittsburgh and Johns Hopkins University published a review describing how broccoli sprout extract protects against oral cancer, specifically, head and neck squamous cell carcinoma, in mice while also being very tolerable in human volunteers. These two facts, taken together, call for more research into this type of cancer in high-risk human subjects. 2. Lung cancer. In 2005, a mouse study examined sulforaphane's ability to prevent lung cancer caused by tobacco carcinogens. The findings were encouraging, prompting the researchers to propose that these substances be tested to help prevent lung cancer in smokers and ex-smokers with early lung lesions. 3. Colon cancer. In the explanation of how sulforaphane can help prevent cancer, mice with colon cancer were used as well as colon cancer cells. Other studies have yielded similar results. A laboratory study discovered that sulforaphane from broccoli sprouts and other cruciferous vegetables causes cell death and permanent DNA breakage in colon cancer cells while having no effect on healthy cells. 4. Prostate cancer. Broccoli and broccoli sprouts have been shown in animal and human studies to have an effect on prostate cancer. The selenium found in broccoli and its sprouts inhibits the expression of a protein known as NGK2D ligand, which has a negative impact on the immune system, causing it to overact and then shut down in cancers such as leukemia, prostate cancer, and melanoma. Scientists discovered that selenium-enriched broccoli sprouts effectively stop the growth and spread of prostate cancer cells in the lab. Selenium-enriched sprouts are becoming more common. Broccoli sprouts appear to halt the development of prostate cancer tumors in mice when consumed on a regular basis. A small human study found some improvements, but not to a significant level, as expected. Despite this, the researchers said they want to repeat the study with higher doses of sulforaphane and a larger number of subjects, especially since the side effects were essentially non-existent. 5. Breast cancer. A mouse study discovered that sulforaphane inhibits the growth of breast cancer stem cells, implying that it could be a useful dietary method to protect against breast cancer. Another small trial in humans found some positive but non-statistically significant changes in tumor biomarkers commonly used to test cancer development improvement. 6. Bladder cancer. Another mouse study looked at the effectiveness of a broccoli sprout extract against bladder cancer. The bladder benefited significantly, according to the researchers, because the extract is delivered directly to the part of the bladder, the epithelium, where bladder cancer develops. This was a very promising result in preventing bladder cancer and slowing or stopping its spread. Need any more reasons to incorporate broccoli sprouts into your diet? I hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to subscribe for more videos like this.